Hello everyone, it's Magazine Fjord, and today I will show you a tutorial how to bypass Samsung password. So if you get a notification to start up your device, enter your password and you can just see emergency call and nothing more. So what you have to do, you will have to click on the power button and get into recovery mode. So I will do that now. So just make sure that you click on your power button and just power off. Okay, so once the device is powered off, so what you have to do next, you have to click 3 buttons at the same time. So first let's click volume up, home button and power button. So I will do right now. Okay, so once you click that, you wait. You will see installing system update. Just wait a little bit. Okay, you get this message and then you get here. So this is Android recovery, and what you do next, you will have to wipe data and factory reset and also wipe cache partition. So you will be able to use these keys, volume up or volume down. So get into So this is wipe data and factory reset. So make sure that nothing is in this device, because if you do that, everything will be lost, all the files. So after you do this, you will have to do wipe cache partition, and you will have to click a power button in order to proceed. So guys, and after you do that, you will just reboot your device. So okay, so let's just reboot that, because I will not show you because I have all the important files here, but anyway, if you do that, it will definitely work. So, and as a proof, I will show you later on because I need to make a backup. So let's do that. So just click on the power button. Okay, so here we go.